Pilates Student's Manual is a podcast that helps you get the most out of your Pilates classes. I'm Olivia, a nationally certified Pilates teacher, and I'm here to share the theory, the history, the anatomy, and the reasons behind the exercises you do in class. I answer your frequently asked questions about Pilates because Pilates is an exercise system for your mind as much as your body. The knowledge you gain through this podcast will help you make your next Pilates class your best one yet. This podcast is for you if you love Pilates or if you're just curious about it. Subscribe to Pilates Student's Manual wherever you listen to podcasts, and let's learn something new.